Hey lovelies, you are welcome to another amazing video. As you all know, my hair is transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair, and I have been on this journey for a while now, and a lot of you have been following me. So in this video we'll be making this amazing oil that is very good for your hair. I have been using this oil and spray for the past 2 weeks, and I've been getting amazing results. So the ingredients that we're using for this treatment is clove and rosemary leaf. So you all know clove is your #1 go-to hair growth natural ingredient. Rosemary is also another wonderful ingredient that you can always incorporate in your hair journey. So in this treatment we'll be using these 2 ingredients. In our previous video we made a spray using these 2 ingredients. So now, and I told you all that we're going to make an oil that we'll be using for our hair. So these 2, you can always use it. You can spray in the spray. After spraying the spray on your hair, then you add the oil to your hair. So I'm transferring my clove and rosemary leaf to my blender. I want to give it a little blend, then I will transfer them to my plate. So I'm going to blend that now for some minutes, and I want it to break down a little. This is not the type of blender that I'm supposed to use, but this is what I have at the moment, so I'm going to use this anyway to blend. If you do not want to blend, no problem, you can use your clove like that and your rosemary leaf. So I have blended that. I will transfer that to my bowl. After transferring to my bowl, this is what it looks like. It did not really blend properly because this is not the kind of blender that I'm supposed to use, but this is okay. So after blending, I'm going to add my olive oil, which is the oil I always use for my hair. So I have been using this oil and the spray that I made in the previous video. If you have not seen that video, you should watch it. So I've been using a combination of the 2 for the past 2 weeks, and I've been seeing amazing results. So at this point I am trying to get everything out of the blender so that I will have everything. I do not want to leave anyone inside the blender. Some of them stick at the bottom, so that I have done. I've scraped everything out. So at this point I am going to add my oil. I will be using olive oil. So this is my oil, and this is 250 ml of olive oil. So I'm going to transfer this to the clove and rosemary that I've grinded. So if you are new here, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment. So you can use any oil of your choice. We all know the benefits of olive oil. Olive oil is a good conditioner. It stimulates your scalp, it nourishes your scalp. Olive oil is a very good oil for hair growth. So I am transferring the oil. I'll transfer everything, and I'm going to stir with my spoon. So this is it. I've transferred the 250 ml of olive oil. So I'm going to stir this, turn it properly with my spoon, make sure that everything mixes properly, and then I'm going to transfer this to my hot water. I'm going to be using the double boiler method. So this is what it looks like at this stage before we move it to the boiled water. So this is the water. I'll insert the plate inside. This is called the double boiler method. So you do not want to heat directly or fry the oil, but this method works. This method is good. This oil smells so nice. Like I love the aroma. It smells very nice. So at this point I have boiled it for 20 minutes, and I am going to take it down from the fire, allow it to cool, and sieve the oil. You can also keep this oil this way, just transfer it into your storage container or whatever you want to put it in, transfer it in and store it this way. The oil will keep absorbing nutrients from the rosemary and clove. But at this juncture, I want to transfer mine into my storage jar. I'm going to sieve it. Oh, I just made a mess. The oil is peeling. Oh my god. So I decided to use a bowl and sieve it into a bowl first, and then transfer to my storage jar. So that is what I just did, and I've transferred to my container. This is what the oil looks like. So this oil is very, very potent. It is very, very good for your hair. Guys, look at our oil. Hey lovely people, so this is the part that I'm excited about. This is my face after a long term pregnancy has dealt with me. So this is our spray from the previous video, and this is our oil that we just made. So I told you these two treatments are made from the same ingredient. So I'm spraying in my clove and rosemary water, which is our spray, which is our #1 treatment. So you can always use this spray as to moisturize your hair. You can always apply it to your hair. See, hair fall is over when you use that spray. Anything, hair shedding, hair loss is over. That spray works like magic. Now this is the oil. You need your hair to be shining, so this is the oil that you're going to apply to your hair. So this is it. I'm applying it into my hair. I'm using a dropper because I do not want to put my hand in that oil since it is not in an applicator bottle. So I'm using a dropper to apply it on my hair. So I'm going to massage it in properly. Always massage your treatment. It is very important. So this is it. These two ingredients works like magic. See my hair now, it's growing. Look at it. It's just 2 weeks old, and look at it. I'm seeing results already. So I use this every day. I use the spray and the oil on my hair. So guys, if you have watched till this point, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, kindly share. You know I love you. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. This is our oil, and I'm going to cover it properly and keep it for future use. Thank you for watching.